The United States is not just a major player in the global agricultural scene, it's one of the leading pork producers worldwide, responsible for nearly 20% of global pork production. With over 73 million pigs raised annually, the U.S. livestock industry has continuously evolved, adopting state-of-the-art technologies to meet both domestic and international demand for pork. But what exactly makes the U.S. pig farming industry stand out today? We'll explore how modern technologies and innovative farming practices are transforming the way pigs are raised and processed in the U.S. From small-scale family farms to large industrial operations, the U.S. pork industry leverages technology to optimize production, improve animal welfare, and minimize environmental impacts. This combination of innovation and tradition has made the U.S. one of the most efficient and advanced pork producers globally. In the past decade, the U.S. pork farming and processing industry has become a global powerhouse. Today, there are over 63,000 pig farms across the United States, with major concentrations in states like Iowa, Minnesota, and North Carolina. These farms, large and small, play a crucial role in the U.S.'s ability to meet both its domestic and export demands. The demand for U.S. pork is not only strong in the U.S., but also in major international markets such as Japan, China, and Mexico. Of the nearly 20% of global pork produced by the U.S., approximately 76% is consumed domestically, while the remaining 24% is exported. This shows just how integral the U.S. is to the global pork market, contributing significantly to the agricultural economy, both locally and globally. The U.S. pig farming industry can be divided into two main categories: small farms and large industrial farms. Small farms are typically found in rural areas and often follow traditional farming practices where pigs are allowed to roam freely or are raised in smaller barns. This method is more commonly practiced in southern states like Texas, where free-range farming is still the norm. On the other hand, large industrial farms, especially in places like Iowa, Minnesota, and North Carolina, are responsible for the bulk of U.S. pork production. These farms can raise millions of pigs each year. In Iowa alone, over 23 million pigs are raised on about 5,400 farms. These industrial operations make extensive use of automation technologies, including automated feeding systems, health monitoring systems, and efficient waste management technologies. By utilizing these advanced systems, U.S. pig farms can optimize production processes and significantly enhance efficiency, reducing labor costs while improving productivity. The result: the U.S. maintains a competitive edge in the global pork market, providing high-quality pork to domestic consumers and international buyers alike. One of the most crucial aspects of pig farming in the U.S. is pig breeding. The breed of pigs raised can directly impact productivity, meat quality, and adaptability to different environments. U.S. farmers primarily focus on breeding pigs that possess high lean meat percentages, fast growth rates, and strong disease resistance. Among the most popular breeds are the Yorkshire and Berkshire pigs. Yorkshire pigs are favored in industrial farming because of their rapid growth rates and robust disease resistance. This breed adapts well to a variety of environments, making it ideal for large-scale operations. In contrast, Berkshire pigs are known for their superior meat quality. They produce highly marbled, tender, and flavorful meat, which is highly sought after in premium markets. These pigs are generally sold at a 20–30% higher price than other breeds, reflecting their demand for high-end pork products. With the advancements in genetic technology, U.S. farmers can now precisely select desired traits in their pig breeds through artificial insemination. This process ensures that the pigs they breed are not only high in meat quality but also grow quickly and have better resistance to diseases. The result is more efficient farming with healthier pigs that require less speed to reach market weight. This reduces waste and helps optimize resource use, contributing to overall sustainability. At U.S. pig farms, breeding and piglet care are held to advanced standards that maximize productivity while ensuring the welfare of the animals. The typical sow's gestation period lasts about 114 days, and the farrowing process, the birth of piglets, is closely monitored to ensure both the mother and piglets are safe and healthy. Piglets are usually born about 15 minutes apart, and immediate care is essential to ensure their survival. One of the most important factors is temperature control, as piglets are highly susceptible to cold cold to combat this. Farms use heating pads or heat lamps to maintain a stable temperature of around 24 to 25 degrees Celsius, 75 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents cold stress, which is a leading cause of mortality before weaning. Piglets begin nursing immediately after birth, and the mother sows are provided with a high-energy diet to support their milk production. In larger commercial farms, piglets are typically weaned at 21 days to optimize growth rates, while smaller farms might allow piglets to stay with their mother for up to 6 weeks, giving them more time to develop before transitioning to solid food. Feed management is another critical aspect of efficient pig farming. In the U.S., grain silos or storage tanks are used to store processed grains like corn and soybeans, ensuring a stable feed supply throughout the year. This is important because feed costs account for about 75% of the total production expenses in pig farming. Effective feed supply management helps to minimize feed waste and reduce costs, making farms more profitable. In addition, advances in feed formulation have allowed farmers to optimize the nutritional content of pig feed, ensuring the animals receive the best possible diet for healthy growth. The U.S. pig farming industry is increasingly focused on sustainability. Traditionally, waste management posed a significant challenge due to the potential for water pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. However, with the advent of new technologies, farms are now finding ways to reduce their environmental footprint while improving operational efficiency. A prime example is Smith Family Farms in Iowa. In the past, they spent around $100,000 annually on waste management and energy costs. However, by installing a biogas system, they reduced those costs by 60%. The biogas system captures methane from pig manure and converts it into renewable energy, which is used to power the farm's operations. This not only reduces methane emissions, but also provides the farm with a source of renewable energy. Many other large farms have also implemented similar waste management systems. Some farms use recirculating water filtration systems, which save water and minimize groundwater contamination. Additionally, AI-driven waste management systems are being used to analyze and process manure efficiently, optimizing its use as a resource while minimizing environmental harm. Thanks to these innovations, many U.S. pig farms have reduced their greenhouse gas emissions by up to 40% while simultaneously cutting millions of dollars in operating costs. This marks a significant step toward making U.S. pig farming more sustainable in the long run. Once pigs are raised and ready for processing, they are transported to specialized processing plants. The transportation process is critical to maintaining the health of the pigs and ensuring meat quality. To minimize stress and the risk of injury, pigs are transported in specialized trucks equipped with temperature control and ventilation systems that maintain optimal conditions throughout the journey. At the processing plant, pigs are placed in a holding area before the slaughtering process begins. The slaughter process is carried out under strict humane standards to ensure that pigs are stunned before slaughter, preventing any unnecessary pain or distress. Once slaughtered, the pork is carefully inspected for quality and safety. This includes disease screening, meat cleanliness checks, and other hygiene standards. The meat is then processed and cut into large sections, which are further divided based on market demand. With the help of automated systems, the processing is done with high precision, ensuring that the final product is consistent in quality. After processing, the pork is packaged in cold storage environments to maintain freshness and quality during transportation. The packaging and storage processes are carefully controlled to avoid contamination and extend shelf life. The U.S. pig farming industry has remained competitive due to its larger farm sizes compared to Europe and its ability to scale up production more efficiently. China, the world's largest pork consumer, faces challenges with disease outbreaks and domestic supply shortages, further solidifying the U.S. position as a leading global pork exporter. However, the